So we're just out here in the wild looking for a student pilot in its natural habitat. Oh! Oh, there is one! Oh.
Working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines. Streets back, alright. And this is how we roll. We hanging around, singing down everything on the radio.
Luke.
Cosmo,
do this. When I crank it like a chainsaw. Yeah, they like the way I do this. When I crank it like a chainsaw. Full throttle, heavy metal, set the bar, next level. Wasteland, getting all janky, so glow. Chainsaw. Land the car with them elbows back, inch smoking just like this track. Shirt is soaking from all this sweat, catch my breath. Chainsaw. Now hear me roar, I'm an ape, next predator. From the sycamore, let's get Skeletor. Chainsaw, chainsaw. Watch it learn, watch it learn. Get that thing cranking, yeah, slash, slash, burn. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, crank it, crank it, back, crank it, back, back. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, crank it, crank it, back, back, crank it, back, back.
Crank it like a chain, crank it like a
Chainsaw.
crank it like a chain, crank it like a crank it like a chain, crank it like a
Chainsaw.
crank it like a chainsaw, chainsaw.
Fresh flannel shirt, country bumpkin, lumberjack your moves, aka Paul Bunyan. Run, yan, 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 yan. I make it right, I make it right, I make it run, run.
Chainsaw.
Drop it, drop it, drop it
Down low, low.
Chop it, chop it, chop. Here we go, go. Teeth so sharp that they call them the jaws. I'm your boss, baby, crack it like a chainsaw.
Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, crank it, crank it, back, crank it, back, back. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Bow to the knees, yeah, crank it like a chainsaw. Crank it, back, back, crank it, back, back.
Came down, headhunter, cyberpunk, yeah, I'm a blade runner, turned up, automatic, full tank, you ain't gotta think about it.
Chainsaw.
Chainsaw, yank it, crank it, swank it, then you put it inside whatever you ride. Turn it all the way up and then you bang it. Top the block, no kizoo. Wilderness, but I'm chivalrous. From Texas, but no massacre. Unless it's a beat, we killing it. Dropping time trees, N2C, watch some things fall. Bows to my knees, that mean I crank it like a chainsaw.
Just really like to thank everyone for making this such a pleasurable experience. It's been a time of my life, even though it's only a year, not even a year. Thank all the instructors and all the students for putting up with me.
I'd like to thank everyone for being so great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There's nowhere else I would have rather gone.